Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make this background. First, we will create this path. You can either draw it yourself or you can follow along by downloading this template. You will find a link to it in the description. After you place the file into this document, be sure to lock it. This will prevent it from moving. Now, let's choose black for the stroke. Next, select the pencil tool and create a path similar to this one. Don't worry if your line doesn't perfectly match the template. We can adjust it later. Let's use the curvature tool to correct some of the curves. Next, turn off the bottom layer. Now select the Smooth tool and adjust the curves a little bit more. Let's resize our path and place it here. Next, with the Direct Selection tool, select the last anchor point and using the Pencil tool, extend the line, creating a heart shape in the middle and finishing it at the right edge of the artboard. If necessary, adjust the curves. Let's create a copy, move it over here, select the first anchor point, switch to the Pencil tool and extend the line to the left edge of the artboard. Next, select the Scissors tool and create a cut where the line exits the artboard. Now select the remaining line and delete it. Next, we'll create this heart. Select the Pencil tool and draw a heart shape. Let's adjust the curves. Next, change the color to red, swap the fill and the stroke, and then go to Pathfinder and choose Unite. Be sure the shape is selected, and now choose Draw Inside mode. Next, choose the Paintbrush tool, change the stroke to a darker shade of red, and then open the Brushes window. Click on the Brush Libraries menu icon and select the Artistic Paintbrush option. Now choose any brush that you like and make a few strokes across the heart. Experiment with different brushes, stroke color, stroke weight to get a look you desire. When you are done, switch to the Draw Normal mode. Press the letter R to show the ruler. Now click on it, hold, and drag to create the first guideline. Try to place it where the top path starts. Next, drag another ruler for the bottom path. Let's zoom in to adjust the path. This side looks good. Here, we need to select the end anchor point and bring it up to align with the guideline. Now let's do the same with the bottom path. To hide the guidelines, press the Ctrl and semicolon keys on your keyboard. Let's select everything and resize it. Next, go to Object, Repeat, and choose Grid. Let's get rid of this gap. Press the down arrow to reduce the horizontal spacing in Grid until there is no gap. Next, open the Properties panel. You will find it under the window menu. Now change the grid type to brick by row. We can still make changes to our design. Let's double-click on the tab segment to isolate it from the rest. And now increase the stroke weight. Let's apply the same stroke weight to the bottom segment. Click on this arrow a few times to exit the isolation mode. Let's lock the bottom layer and turn off its visibility. Now zoom out and bring the side and bottom handles to align with the artboard. Finally, go to View and select Trim View to hide everything outside the artboard. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.